Hey guys, this is Steven Smith coming to you from MarineMax here in Houston, showing you a brand new 2018 Harris 250 Grand Mariner today. We're starting at the front of the boat, showing you these front loungers here. Of course, this boat's equipped with the pillow top interior, which you can expect from the higher end Harris's. Flip down armrests. You've got a removable armrest that you can put with some cup holders really anywhere in the boat. Large ski locker down in the center of the boat. It's got a bilge pump built into it so that it drains. You've got some nice storage compartments here that Harris built in. Over here on the port side of the boat, this is actually a compartment that you could put a changing room. We don't have one attached right now, but that's an option you could choose. And of course, this boat has the entertainment area with a flip-up table, little cooler insulated section for maybe prepping some meals or something like that while you're out on the water. This boat is equipped with the lighting package where we've got LEDs all throughout, cup holders in the tower, etc. As we move over to the helm, this is a new helm for this year on the Grand Mariner. It actually mimics the Crown, where you've got this glove box on the top. You've got your Simrad display over here with a 5-inch display, chart plotter, GPS, fish finder, etc. The new JL audio system, which is the upgraded system in this boat with the subwoofer and tower speakers. Of course, this boat's going to be equipped with a Mercury. We put the 300 Pro Verado on this boat with active trim, so really just all the creature comforts that you'd expect out of a Harris and more, and plenty of power as well. This has the full tower design where you could pull a tube, wakeboard, skier, etc. with the full double Bimini, as you can see, stainless steel poles, very well appointed. And this boat has the very popular single lounger configuration where you can push this back and turn this rear area into a really just good hangout spot. You've got audio controls there on the right side. You have a flip down ladder as well as the swim step, which is something that they've added this year. And of course, everything's stainless steel with Harris and just very well appointed. We're really excited about this boat. We'd love you guys to come down and take a look at it here at MarineMax in Houston. Again, this is a 2018 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. Thanks.